What's this?
Stomach. Tuesday. Carrier. Carrier. Hotel. Vehicle.
All are wrong. Your pronunciations all are wrong.
Oh my God.
Okay, let me tell you exactly what these sounds are. Now this is stomach, not stomach, not stow. Because it's S-T-O, you are saying stomach. No. Or some will say stomach because TH is there. No. English is a language like that where you need to know by practice now, or you should know the proper technical side. Now here I'm not going to do anything about technical part, but see this, it is stomach. Stomach. Exactly, it is stomach. Now, what did you say this?
Tuesday. Tuesday.
Exactly. This is Tuesday, not Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday. What did you say this?
Carrier.
No. Career. See, now you said Korea. See how many differences are there in this. This is career, okay, career, and this is only what you said, Korea, and this is carrier. Carrier means something you carry, or behind your cycle. Behind your cycle you will have something kind of thing which will carry your load. So that is carrier. But this is career, okay, career. Now what is this you said?
Hotel.
No. Hotel. Yeah, hotel. So you say tell, no tell. So hotel. Okay, hotel. The next one you said?
Vehicle.
Yeah, vehicle. So vehicle. So that only we say vehicle. But it is not vehicle. No. Vehicle. So 3 syllables. So this is how you should know. So stomach, Tuesday, career, hotel, vehicle. So welcome to shylaji.com, and I'm Shaila Vasuna. Today I am going to do another English related video, and I just started with the pronunciation. Every video of mine, a little pronunciation would be there because you are learning the language newly. So first thing is what? You should get familiarized with the language. You should be able to speak properly. So that is important. So keeping that in mind, I'm not going to start straight away for you by saying, what's your name? Where do you live? So I'm not going to ask all those questions. That is later. But initially, you should know how to pronounce the words. What is the sound of it? So those things you should be really knowing it to know how to speak in English. So you would have seen my Hindi videos. When I did, I didn't start my spoken Hindi videos by straight away teaching you how to speak, but initially I taught you something about the letters. Then I told you how you pronounce the 2-letter words, 3-letter words, 4-letter words, all that. I familiarized you with all those pronunciations, and then I started telling you about a little bit of grammar, and then I went into the conversation. So when I'm doing that, surely you will know what the pronunciation is, how it's sounding, and then you would do it correctly. So first thing is, in my first segment, I'm doing this for you, so that in my next segment, you will be knowing exactly how to pronounce. So today I'll be doing on this topic, vowels and sounds. So what is that interlinked? Let's start the video. Now, you know in English we have 5 vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. Now, those vowels, in that few vowels of it, in those 5 vowels, I would like to focus on 3 to 4 sounds of that where we do mistakes while pronouncing. So, what mistakes do we do? That how the regional language or the vernacular language or your mother tongue influences it. Particularly in South India, when you are Tamil speaking person, then how you would struggle to pronounce an English letter. Okay, so based on that, I would like to do it today because you can overcome those mistakes and you can speak better and good English. Now let me take the first. See, maybe if you have not watched my Hindi videos, please do watch it because I am going to do a collaboration of Hindi, English, Tamil and all that. So you need to know something basics of other languages too. Now, in Hindi, you would have read this. I have taken different kinds of videos on these letters, these vowels. Now here, this is a. I always used to give the stress on that pronunciation. We should pronounce it as a, like how you do a burp. Burp means what? You do know after you eat, sometimes the gas which comes out of your mouth. So how you do it? Like that, you do know. Almost that kind of a sound it gives. Now, in English, this is the letter A and its sound, the phonic sound is A. But the same letter in different places, it gives different sounds. But today, I'm going to take the words which give this A sound. But when we are Tamilians, that is generally in Tamil, the influence of that language, we pronounce these wrongly. Now, let me tell you this in English, how to pronounce it. Now, the first one, earth. See, I'm giving that sound, no? Earth. The next one, world. World. Next, girl. Bird. Word. Curd. Hurt. Sir. Generally, earth. We generally say normally, and that influences when we are reading in English also. Even the kids, they do that. Earth, earth, world. We say like that. Girl, bird, word, curd, heart, sir. Don't you do such mistakes? I mean, those who do it, I'm saying, not all. Don't we do that mistakes? Yes. The influence of the language. Why? Because these sounds which I am mentioning are not there in Tamil language. Every language is unique of its own. So, it's not that it's wrong in that language. That language is spoken that way. It has some uniqueness. Every language has got, as I said. In Tamil, you have the letter, if I'm not wrong, or that letter, even today, I make mistake in pronouncing it. We use that word when we say Tamil. That last letter L is this. It's kind of a retroflex where you roll, okay, that kind of sound. I really struggle with that, but that's the uniqueness of that language where in Tamil they use that one and in English they put for that Z and H. Z or Z and H. So they put that, but we go wrong in that. So that way, in English, we have some words and that we mispronounce. Same way in Hindi, we have some words which we mispronounce. So every language is unique, as I said. Now, these are not to be pronounced earlier, how I said. It should be earth, world, girl, bird, word, curd, hurt, sir. Don't say sir. Okay, it is sir. Now the next letter which is not there in Tamil language, it's A. You generally say can. In the sense, when you get American corn, okay, corn soup, you say can. You say lari, okay, don't you say that? You say lari. What is he studying when we ask? La. Job. Stop. Auto. Call. Call the police. Buy. A buy. I've heard children also saying buy. No. It's lorry. Law. Law. Job. Stop. Auto. Call. Boy. Okay, again I would repeat it, that O sound, okay, office, orange. This I had done even in Hindi because this sound is there in Hindi. So I have done this orange, Australia, Oxford, office. So many words which we say office, orange, Australia. So we say that, right? So next time you might use it in Tamil, but when you speak the same thing in English, because you use it commonly in both languages, right? So when you use it in English, you use it as lorry, law, job, stop, auto, call, boy. Got it? Now the next letter, which is, this sound is also not there in Tamil. It is a. Okay, a. Like how we say apple. I've given here apple. You have it in Hindi. I had done it. Anak, Aravat. Here I had done for this aurat, or. I had done all those words. The same thing you have to do. Now here if you see, it is the letter a. So I have done that time also apple, axe. Same thing here, apple. We say a. Now what we do is, this a sound, we take it as a. Like in Tamil you have no a, you have no. You take it that way. Hand, fan, man. I'm getting it right actually. We say it man, then apple. So this word is not there. The words which are used in Tamil, I'm not saying, sometimes that influence is there, but here not much. But these should be pronounced hand, a, fan, fan, man, apple, axe. Now many of them have heard this saying Amazon, Amazon. Yeah, actually it is Amazon. So that is so Amazon, Amazon. So that is how it should be, because these are the letters a sound. So Amazon, it is not Amazon. Oh sorry, yeah, I've heard people saying it's Amazon. No, Amazon, no, Amazon. So next time when you would like to watch something on Netflix or Amazon Prime, okay, please do watch in English, all the English programs. So it will be, you can develop your English. The next one more thing is here. This is the letter A, but what do we say? Now this letter, again we misspell. Actually we say garden, father. We say A kind of sound where it should be A sound. It should be garden and R silent. Garden, garden, father. Okay, father. But we say my father told me, my father told me, we say no, father, father. And whenever you pronounce the letter, this is the sound, okay. So when you sound that, you should sound it correctly, okay, just like how this will sound just like V. This gives the air pressure out, okay, fan, fan. So it's like that. But when you pronounce the word V, it will sound as V, van, van. Okay, I'm not teaching you the phonic sounds because that is required for kids. Okay, when they are learning A, B, C, D, they need it. But you are going to do spoken English, and for that, initially you need to know all these sounds and all these pronunciations so that it will be easy for you when you start speaking. So you will not make mistake when you start conversing with people. So that's why first my focus was on this, so that these kind of things will not disrupt your speaking skills. So for that, you should be a good listener, I said in my previous video. So I hope you listened well to what I had told till now and my pronunciation. If you have a doubt, or if you feel somewhere you're not pronouncing it correct, then what you should do, go back to the video, and particularly where you are having the doubts, you repeat the video in that particular areas and try to perfect your pronunciation so that you will not do it later. And those people who know to read, write and do not know to speak, so they too can try this to perfect their pronunciation. That's what happens in Hindi also. You say, yeah, I know to read and write, only speaking I'm finding it very difficult, I can't speak. But then you might not be pronouncing those words right in Hindi too. Whatever you had learned, something you would have grabbed it and you're trying to do, but that will not work when you need to know proper pronunciation in any language. So that's very important. As I said, Tamil, okay, that sound should come correctly when I need to speak in Tamil, and when I'm going to speak in Hindi, I need to get the correct pronunciation, like how I said for these, aurat. It is not aurat, okay, it's aurat. Same way here, when you speak these words, you need to say it correctly. And am I right, sir? So that's how it should be. It is not sir, it is sir. Okay, so that's the corrections you need to do, and I think you have enjoyed my video. And at the end, last time I had asked you some question, a quiz. So I will be asking you another question now. Last time I had given you a word, lol, okay, and many of you had answered to it. It was laugh out loud, okay, laugh out loud. It's not laugh, it's laugh. Laugh out loud. Now today I'll be giving you another word. You have to identify with my expression. Wow, the movie was dash. You have to fill that blank. Wow, the movie was, what's that word? That word you need to know. So let me see whether you'll be giving me the answer. Please comment in the comment box. Until then, see you in the next video. Namaste.